to my channel. If you guys didn't see the video before this, I will link it, but I announced that I am a brand ambassador. Yes, your girl, she doing things, okay? She rocking and moving. But yeah, so Natirèl hair care, I'm a brand ambassador, and they sent me a lot of their products. They got a shampoo, a conditioner, a leave-in, a deep conditioner mask, like oils, all that stuff. The only thing I'm waiting for is stylers, but that's besides the point. So my hair is just in an old twist out, and we just need to wash it. I wet it, and I would go in there with this shampoo. And the shampoo, you guys can see my face, it has so much slip. It feels amazing on the hair. My hair felt moisturized. It didn't really feel stripped. I washed it twice, and it was just feeling good. Like, I feel like I could really detangle, and it gave a nice lather. I did have to use like a little good amount, but like I still have so much in that bottle, it don't make no sense. But yeah, it was really good. It was going through my hair. It smells good, and it just rinsed out well and everything. It got my scalp clean. I did 2 washes. Didn't feel super stripped like some shampoos do. I did have to add a little bit of water to make it like, just go throughout my hair a little bit better, but it definitely did the job. Like, this shampoo is amazing. It just is. So now my hair is rinsed out. It's looking good. My curls are starting to pop. Like, it looks like I'm ready to do a wash and go. My scalp is clean. Like, it's just giving what it needs to give, okay? And so now I'm going in with the conditioner because they sent it and I wanted to try it. And I never really use conditioners, but y'all, this stuff right here is my jam, okay? Like, I had a little bit of trouble getting out the bottle because she's thick. She thick. But girl, once you get that on your hair, she's slipping, she's sliding, she's doing what she needs to do. And I never like condition my hair at all. But this is like, it could be an amazing pre-poo. It could be a deep conditioner mask for when you're in a rush. It's slip, moisture. It's everything you need it to be. And then some. I didn't have to use a lot. And you guys can see that my brush is just going through my hair. And also, don't mind my shedded hairs on the walls, because if you're not natural and you don't do this, I don't know you. But this was so good. I want to use it on like dirty hair, just to pre-poo, because it has so much slip. I didn't have to use a lot. I probably used like 3 handfuls, but not even really handfuls, because again, I couldn't get out the bottle. But that's my fault. I probably broke it. But it was so good. It was slipping, it was sliding, and when I rinsed it out, the moisture was there. Like, if I wanted to, I could stop here, but I decided to keep going. And this is what my hair is looking like, all detangled, and the conditioner is on it. I could let it sit, but I decided not to, so I just rinsed it out, and my hair is starting to like look lively again. Like, it's bigger, it's just juicy, and I'll go in this mask. So this mask is super thick and creamy, but it also has slip, it has moisture. It's doing what it needs to do. Like, I can't stop saying that, because it really did do what it needed to do. I split my hair, and then I really just worked that product into my hair, and it's disappearing, y'all. It's not sitting on top. It's going right into my hair. I was so scared of moisture overload, because that's how moisturizing these products are, that I did sit underneath for her to dry, because they felt that good. It wasn't keeping a twist. It was just giving my hair like slip manageability. Like, just look at my brush. It was already detangled, but like, I just have to keep detangling because my hair likes to keep tangling. So it's so good. The products are amazing. The ingredients are great. And I'm just gonna let you guys wash my hair, and I'm gonna come back towards the end of this video so that you guys can get my final first impressions on this brand. I'm back, and my hair is deep conditioned, and I rinsed it out and everything, let it sit underneath like my shirt for like 20 minutes, and now I'm ready to style. But let me just say, the shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, love it, okay? Like, they did not come to play. I'm scared to put this leave-in, and because like I might get moisture overload. Like, that's how moisturizing these products are. I didn't sit underneath the a hooded dryer with the deep conditioner because I did not need to, but if I did, oh, it would be crazy. My hair just is so soft. It feels amazing. Quickest detangle of my life. My hair wasn't pre-detangled or anything like that, but as you guys can see from the clips, it was just gliding with my fingers, gliding with the brush. It was just heavenly. Like, I don't understand. So now I decided to do a wash and go today. It's getting nice out. It's about time to bring them back. I'm using their leave-in conditioner. I'm using this curly moisture butter for my cream. And then I'm finally trying my Cantu gel. I already did the mix on my hands. These look like they blend well, so let's see. I know if it's not gonna come out right, it's not gonna be because of this leave-in conditioner, I'll tell you that. Even on my hand, when I was doing the blending, my hands are so soft right now because it's so moisturizing. I haven't even put it in my hair, but I just know. I just know. So I'm gonna apply the leave-in conditioner all to my hair, but let's do the first section together. This is the texture. Real creamy. It feels like silk. And it smells so good. But I cannot put my finger on it. Look how my hair is just drinking it up. It's bringing my curls out to play, okay? And we need that for this wash and go. It's gonna be my first wash and go since my cut is well. Oh yeah, this leave-in. This leave-in is it. And just look at that. Look at the shine, okay? I knew it. It feels so good. I honestly don't need a cream, but I'm gonna use one because I just need to. Oh, but that feels so good. So I'm gonna put this all throughout my hair, and then I'm gonna come back. I don't know if I should just come back when my hair is done, but I'll speed it up for you guys. The leave-in conditioner is applied to all of my hair. It feels really good. Look at the shine. So I'm gonna just come back when my hair is all done because you guys see me do wash and goes a lot. So I'm gonna just finish that. I just want to give you guys a last look of my hair. And then at the end, I'll do a whole wrap up of first impressions on these products. Tell you, how I feel more about them and definitely all that stuff. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is how half my hair is looking. I had to stop using this because it was starting to clump, and even though I did the test on my hand, I was like, I'm not gonna try it. But with just the leave-in conditioner and the gel, it seems to be working out fine. I'm also, after the leave-in, putting on a few drops of their Haitian black castor oil. So it's really like helping to smooth out my hair. Although I feel like it's not I feel like it's making the gel not stick, but it's okay. It looks good. So I've just got to finish this side and I'll be back when I'm all dry. My technique has not changed. It's just I'm not using one product that I said I was going to, and I'm just working it throughout my hair and shingling. Okay, so I'll be back when it's all dry, most likely. Alright guys, so I'm finally done. Washing goes take forever, I swear. But I just have to wait for my hair to dry, but it's just leave-in. It's so good. I didn't have to apply more. Every section has about 1 or 2 pumps, and I used about this much, which is a lot, but I probably won't do that next time because as you guys can see, it looks like I added a lot of product to my hair, but really I only did this once, and then basically the gel kind of reactivated it, so I didn't need as much as I used, but now we know. So I'm just giving you guys looks right now, and then when it dries, I'll go from there. But so far, I'm loving this wash day, guys. Okay, so I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back and my hair is completely done. I blow dried it for like 20 minutes and then I let it air dry the rest of the way for like an hour or two. It's still damp in the middle, but for the most part, my hair is done. And look at how good it looks. Like, okay, I got definition. It looks good. I haven't picked or anything. This is like first day full volume type of thing. Like it's just gonna get bigger and bigger, so I'm not even gonna touch it. I do have like some strangly bits, but that's just my hair being weird. But I love it. So I'm just gonna do a quick rundown of all these products because you need them. But so yeah, first up we have the shampoo. This shampoo, I didn't have to use a lot. It's creamy. It has like I don't know. It feels so good on the hair. I washed my hair twice to see if it would be stripping. Now it does cleanse your hair and stuff like that, but it wasn't really stripping for me. And it got my hair clean, like my scalp. She clean. So I really do love this. A little bit goes a very long way. So I probably used like maybe 4 or 5 pumps for my whole head, and I did it twice each time. So it's kind of like, it still don't look like I used anything. Like I'm right here. So I love this. You should try it. Moisturizing. It's good. Next up is the conditioner. Now, I don't use conditioner, but this is some bomb stuff. Like, it has slip for days. Like, I didn't use a lot. I think I broke the top, so I couldn't like get it out the top, but like I tried to like squeeze it and stuff. I was struggling with that because this bottle is sturdy, so trying to get the product out like that is like hard. I'm probably gonna change the top, but this is amazing. It gave my hair so much slip. My hair was like, I didn't pre-pull anything, but it just glided through. Like, I could do from the roots down, and it was just mind-blowing. Like, I use like this much, not a lot at all, to do my whole head. Like, that's crazy. It's unheard of. I really do like this conditioner. It has, I don't even know like what ingredient gives it that, but it's good. And I was like, I feel a tingling. Yeah, there's tea tree in here, so like I felt a tingling, but I didn't know where it was coming from. So this is really good. I really do love this stuff. It's so good. It could be a deep conditioner on its own, so if you're Russian, you can definitely just pick this up, detangle, let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes, wash it out, you'll be good. But I had to follow it with deep conditioner, so I used their hair mask. This was so good. I didn't have to use a lot, but I was heavy-handed. This also has a bunch of slip, but like the moisture was my problem. Like, the moisture was so good that I didn't feel like I had to sit underneath a hooded dryer. I was scared of like moisture overload because it feels so good moisturizing. My hair was super soft. It couldn't hold a twist. It was like plump and juicy and soft and luscious. It was everything it needed to be, and then some. Okay, because this was so good. I can't get over it. Like, all the products, 10 out of 10 would recommend. This leave-in conditioner though, she's on another level. Okay, like, I did 2 pumps out my hair. Didn't need that much because when I went to style my hair with the gel and it was like reactivate the product, my hair was like super white, as you guys seen. I didn't need that much. I did not need to use almost half this bottle, but my hair is moisturized. It's soft. I have no cast. Like, none. It's soft, it's moisturized, it's fluffy. This was the perfect base. I didn't need a butter. I didn't need the cream that I was originally going to put because it would have been too much. It would have been too much. So this is really good. And I just want to go get a backup using my code, of course, because this is so good. I recommend it all. I really do. But the wash day products and that leave-in, y'all, I don't know what she put in this, but it's good. And I'm not even being dramatic because I'm not that type of person, but when it works and it's good, I'm gonna let y'all know about it. So I really need you guys to check them out. It's so good. Like, I can't get over it. It's gonna be hard for me to not touch these every week. It really is. And I need to order more, like, ASAP. Especially this leave-in conditioner, the mask. I know the shampoo and conditioner is gonna last me a while because super thick, super rich, super creamy. A little bit goes a long way. But these two, the mask and the leave-in, oh, I'm gonna need more. I'm gonna need more quick. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to use my code DAYSHA15 for 15% off of your products. That's all. That's it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.